You guys, first of all, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, I just recorded like the beginning of this video and something happened with my memory card, so I had to record it over. You guys, today I am going to go ahead and throw on this beautiful bob wig. You guys know I love me a beautiful bob, a classy, sophisticated, chic bob. Girl, this is from Myfirst wig. Whenever I wear my bobs, you guys, it's always from Myfirst wig. When I tell you they have the best bob wigs, they are so classy. I always get this like yaki type of texture. You guys always ask Bree. Like one of my videos on Instagram kind of went viral and so many people was like, where did you get your hair? Where is that unit from? Myfirst wig, girl. This is where I get them from. So I have about 6 of these bobs. I love to get them. They last so long, y'all. They last so long. So if you're looking for this look that I'm always wearing, like my little signature look, I highly recommend Myfirst wig. So let's go ahead and put it on. It's already pre-cut, pre-bleached. It's pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, and you don't have to worry about anything, girl. So I did not pluck this unit. I did not bleach this unit. Myfirst wig is one of the companies that when it say pre-bleached, it's pre-bleached. When it says pre-plucked, it's pre-plucked, okay? Only thing I did dye it a jet black because I don't like brown hair, baby. I need it to be super, super black. So let's go ahead and put this on. I did tighten the straps. It comes with a 13 by 6 lace on it. Girl, you gotta make sure. I'm gonna put the straps down in the back. This is like the most easiest unit ever. I always take my comb. It's nice and snug, so you can definitely wear this unit glueless if you want. It's up to you. You don't need any glue. You don't need any baby edges. You can kind of just go. But me, I'ma always glue my unit down. It's just my personal. Oh, I can't make this up, y'all. Y'all just saw me put this unit on. I cannot. Look at the density. Look at the volume. It's giving 90s baddie, okay? I love this unit so much, y'all. It's definitely one of my favorites. Whenever I'm going on vacation, when I want to look classy and sophisticated, baby, I'm always gonna grab for my Myfirst wig unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little bit of the ear tab off over here just so it can lay flat behind the ear, because I love to wear my hair behind the ear. But look at that hairline, y'all. You just want to make sure everything is flat and flushed against the head. It's nice and snug. So if you didn't want to wear glue, all you have to do is put a little spray right here just to make sure your ear tabs are down. And girl, you can go. You can be on your way. You can even use some of the tape that everybody been using lately. Y'all, it's kind of hot in my house. I'm sorry. You can use some of the tape that people been using lately, but I am gonna glue mine down, y'all, just because I love a really pretty melt. But I just wanted to make sure that I mentioned you guys that you don't have to glue it down. You don't need any baby hairs. All you have to do is put a little bit of spray right on the side to make sure that your edges are secure, secured. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this other ear tab off just so it can look a little bit more seamless. I feel like it's a little long, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't want it too long. Just cut about. You don't even have to cut the lace no more. Everything is pre-cut. Let's see if I cut it short enough. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. This is looking like it's coming from my scalp. And yours will look like this too. Everybody on Instagram always asks me, where do you get your bobs from? Where do you get your hair from? I always tell y'all, my first wig is gonna get you that look each and every time. You can wear it with a deep middle part, you can wear it with a side part, but I love to give just that 90s effortless look. Oh my gosh. And I kind of curled this hair. Well, I kind of bumped this hair on the mannequin head, but it's so easy, y'all. It's so easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down. I'm using my Erica J glue and also my lace melting spray. I'm gonna skip that part because you guys always see me do that, but just to let y'all know, you don't have to glue it down, baby. You don't need no baby edges. You don't need none of that, okay? This wig is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. I don't even have to cut the lace off. You don't have to do anything. This is this is like a 3-second wig, okay? 3 seconds. It literally took me about 3 to 5 seconds to throw this wig on. Another 2 seconds to spray some spray right here and be gone, okay? And you can be out the door. But I'm gonna glue mine down, so let me go ahead and do that because I have an event tonight and I am going on vacation tomorrow. So girl, I need to secure the unit, so I'll be right back. So I am just putting some bumps, like a little bump in my hair because I kind of wanted to give 90s vibes. So I'm just showing you guys. I got inspired by 𝗣𝗏. I think that's how you pronounce her name. I love the way she had this bob. I'll insert like a little picture. Mine is a little different than hers, but I love how effortless her little bob was that she wore. She had more like layers and curls in hers, and then the way they plucked her hair in her front, you guys, I paid close attention. They kind of plucked it like a lot so it can kind of give like this widow peak thing. I'm not gonna do that with mine because I just really love the way it's plucked. I did not do any like baby hairs today. I don't know if it's gonna stay like that because y'all know how I like my baby hairs, but I just wanted like a wispy, little wispy edges. That's kind of too long right there. But like, this is my favorite side. So that is it for this hair review, you guys. I added this 𝗣𝗏 on steroids hairspray, and it makes your hair super big, and that's kind of what I'm going for. Like, it makes it like really voluminous. I found this on TikTok, but that's the kind of vibe that I wanted to go for my hair, like a very oversized, a very voluminous bob. I'll show y'all how it look on the side, how effortless it is. I can kind of just like put it anywhere that I want. Like, this is so my vibe, so my vibe. Oh, so good. So you guys, make sure you check out Myfirst wig if you are looking to get this look, because it is so cute. It's like very effortless and timeless. So pretty. All right, bye guys.